Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given 3 by 2 plus 6 by 5. So it looks simple, but those people who struggling in taking LCM, that means least common multiples, this question is for you. So how can you solve this type of problem? By writing 3 by 2, then addition and write 6 by 5. What you have to do, multiply the 5, the denominator of right hand digit with the numerator and denominator of left hand digit and multiply the numerator of left hand digit in numerator and denominator of right hand digit. Just do that. Now multiply the terms numerator with numerator. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 5 is 10. Now 6 times 2 is 12 and 5 times 2 is 10. Now your denominators are equal, same. Just write it once and simply add the numerator. No need to take LCM if you are struggling there. So 15 plus 12 is 27 by 10, or you can write in mixed fraction, that is 2 and here 7. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.